Hey guys, welcome back. Real quick, just want to go over what these things are. So when you work with wires of up to a certain gauge, when it gets really big, it becomes impractical to use wire nuts to tie them together. So they sell these kind of like junction hubs, and how they work is it's just a milled out piece of aluminum, a block of aluminum, and so that way you can kind of uh, tether wires together of the same circuit. Now, I didn't see very many videos online showing how these things work, so just figure I'd do a quick video and show you that they are they're all connected. You know, so I'm gonna do a audio. I don't know if you can pick that up, but yeah, see both channels are connected to the same block. So, when I was looking at this, I was looking at some of them have like 4 channels, and I thought they were isolated, but they're not. Um, they're just for fusing wires together. All right. If you're shopping for these, I'll put a link to where I got them, and hopefully it helps you. Good luck. Bye bye.